So I want to talk about the 7 benefits of nutritional yeast, okay? Now, first of all, there's some myths about nutritional yeast. One is that if you actually consume nutritional yeast, you're going to end up with a yeast infection. That's not going to happen. It is true that some people may have an allergy to yeast, okay? In which case they want to avoid it. The other myth relates to nutritional yeast being a version of MSG or monosodium glutamate. That is absolutely not true. The other point I want to bring up about nutritional yeast is that a lot of times when you buy it, it's enriched with synthetic B vitamins. I would not recommend any nutritional yeast that is enriched or fortified because they fortify it with synthetics. And if you want more information about an unfortified version, I put a link down below. You can check it out. All right, number 1, let's talk about the B vitamins. There's a lot of benefits by taking the B vitamins, especially in their natural form. B1 decreases stress. It increases energy. B2 and B3 is good for the skin. It's good for digestion. It's good for your hair, your nails. B6 is essential for your mitochondria to make energy. The list goes on and on and on. But mainly when you take the B vitamins, you're going to have less stress and more energy. And one last point about the B vitamins. Normally, nutritional yeast does not contain B12, okay? B12 is very, very important to fortify your blood, to help with energy, metabolism, and many other things. So to differentiate between natural and synthetic, you want to make sure this B12 is in the form of methylcobalamin, not cyanocobalamin. Okay, just make mental note of that. All right, let's go to number 2, minerals. So there's potassium, there's magnesium, there's calcium, there's all sorts of minerals that will actually help you in various ways. Number 3, trace minerals, chromium, selenium, zinc. And one of the purposes of trace minerals is to help as a cofactor in enzymes. And enzymes do the work of the body. So trace minerals are good for hair, nails, skin, muscle, anything with protein. Okay, number 4, amino acids. There's actually a complete profile of amino acids in nutritional yeast. In fact, by weight, amino acids make up 50% of nutritional yeast. That's actually more than a lot of protein sources out there. All right, number 5, fiber, which can then feed your microbes, which then could make something called butyric acid, which will then decrease insulin resistance and decrease your insulin and help you with your blood sugars. All right, number 6, glutathione, which is a very powerful antioxidant. So it helps prevent oxidation in different parts of the body. Your body actually can make it, or you can get it from certain foods. So this actually helps in neutralizing free radical damage. All right, and lastly, beta-glucan, which is not only good to help regulate cholesterol, but it's really good for your immune system and protecting you against viruses and bacteria. All right, guys, those are the benefits. And also realize when you're doing the keto plan, I always recommend nutritional yeast as a really good source of your B vitamins. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, I just wanted to mention something real quick. A lot of you have questions about all sorts of things in the body. Chances are I have a video on that already. So what I did is I created a document based on categories, and you can click the link down below to get this document. So it'll help you find and understand the specific information that you're looking for. I think I have over 3,500 videos, so click the link down below. So if you need it, it's there for you.